Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee began his 4-day visit to the United States Thursday by addressing a joint session of Congress. Prime Minister Vajpayee told the lawmakers the U.S. and India have the resources and talent to shape the global economy for the rest of the century. Mr. Vajpayee said there are opportunities for the U.S. and India to become partners in areas of energy, technology, international peacekeeping, and advancing democratic principles. Mr. Vajpayee also said that U.S.-Indo relations have progressed significantly since the end of the Cold War.
We have much in common and no clash of interests. We both share a commitment to ultimately eliminating nuclear weapons. We have both declared voluntary moratoriums on testing. India understands your concerns. We do not wish to unravel your non-proliferation efforts.
Mr. Vajpayee did not refer directly to India's strained relations with Pakistan over the dispute concerning Kashmir, but he did hint at the issue when he called on the U.S. and India to redouble their efforts to fight terrorism.
There are forces outside our country that believe that they can use terror to unravel the territorial integrity of India. They wish to show that a multi-religious society cannot exist. They pursue a task in which they are doomed to fail.